Today we're going to go over how to achieve this effect easily in Final Cut Pro, and we're going to walk through it step by step. Here on the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find plenty of Final Cut Pro plugins to help your workflow. If you haven't checked out the website, please be sure to do so. These plugins will help you out and they will enhance your Final Cut Pro workflow. Now let's get right on into the video for today. Okay, to start off this effect, you want to keep in mind that you want a similar frame or shot that you want to place on top and on the bottom for this first effect. So you're going to kind of understand what I'm talking about as I go through this. So we have this kind of still shot of just the face. We are going to get this frame, and then we have another frame that's pretty similar to the first frame, different person, obviously. But that's the beauty of the effect. So we're gonna get that, and you decide which clip you want on top or which clip you want on the bottom. Totally up to you. But what we're gonna do here is we are going to click on our top clip. And in this instance, I just wanna crop him down to where we can only see his nose. So here's pretty good for me. And then we can bring him down on the y-axis just a little bit. About right here, make it look even. And now on our bottom clip, it seems like Lil Yachty's head is bigger than Sauce Walka, so we're gonna try to match it together. So we're gonna scale the bottom clip up. So that looks pretty good to me as far as head size. I'm gonna move him up a little bit right here. And let me zoom in. Put the clips at the same length. All right, looks pretty good right there. I'm gonna play this back. And we have our effect. Now, this looks pretty good, so I'm gonna save this as a compound clip. So I'm gonna right click and highlight on both of these two, new compound clip, name it whatever. Okay, so we got that. And now what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna highlight on the new compound clip. We're gonna scale it down. And as you can see, when we scale it down, we have a completely different clip, which is okay. We are going to do some more cropping. So I'm gonna take the right side, crop it down, and voila, we have just this isolated clip of Lil Yachty and Sauce Walka. Now we can bring in more clips. So I'm just gonna break this clip. So I'm gonna bring this on top of this clip, and I'm gonna scale this down, and I'm gonna crop it on the right side and on the left side. I'm gonna try to get it to kind of match the size of this clip right here. So if you want, you can zoom in. So you can be precise. So on this top clip, we're gonna crop this down right here. So that's the top. And that looks pretty good right here. Now we can zoom out, fit. And we are going to move this on the x-axis. Go right here. And we can just crop the whole left side actually. So we're gonna make it like that. And then I'm just gonna duplicate this. We can do this for a completely different scene, but I'm just gonna duplicate this just to make this tutorial quicker. And I'm just gonna drag this on the x-axis onto the other side just to show you how we can implement this effect in Final Cut Pro. So I'm gonna cut this down here, cut this down here. I'm just gonna remove these so we can show you what we did. So here's pretty much the effect that you can easily produce in Final Cut Pro. This is from Lil Yachty's music video. If you have any questions or any other effects that you would like to see, please comment down below. Go visit our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find plenty of plugins for your Final Cut Pro workflow. And thanks guys again, and I'll talk to you soon.